Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, lecture 12. It is for MSc Semester 3, Paper 11, Unit 2, Mass Spectrometry. In continuation of other lecture, important characteristics of mass spectra, today we will discuss in some more details. Here we will take some common aspects of organic molecules, behavior of their in mass spectra. Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkynes, cycloalkanes, aromatic compounds. All these compounds, how they behave at mass spectra. Alkanes molecules, saturated hydrocarbons. If a molecule is big, for example, dodecan, straight chain molecule, C12H26, their molecular mass peak is very low intense, low abundance. Then at C4H9, it will give you intense peak of high abundance at 57 molecular mass, and it is a base peak. And this base peak is occur due to the rearrangement of the stable carbocation. Branch chain alkanes. Branch chain alkanes also gives intense peak. For example, this big molecule, it will give you tertiary carbonium ion at 71. Here also molecular ion peak is having low abundance. Alkanes or olefins. Alkanes, the molecular ion peak in the spectra of unsaturated compounds is more intense than the corresponding saturated analogues. The relative abundance of the molecular ion peak decreases with the increasing molecular mass. The general mode of fragmentation induced by a double bond in the allylic cleavage. The fragment ions formed by the McLafferty rearrangement, as earlier also we had seen, having more intense peak. For example, 1-pentene, it will give you McLafferty rearrangement ion at mass 42, and it is a intense peak. Alkynes. For 1-butene and 2-butene, the molecular peak is the base peak. The relative abundance of the molecular ion peak decreases as the molecular mass of the alkyne increases. In alkynes, the fragmentations also occur, like for methyl at 15, ethyl at 29. So we can conclude for alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, alkanes having molecular ion peak very less abundance compared to alkenes and then alkynes. कहने का मतलब यह है कि मास स्पेक्ट्रा में मॉलिक्यूलर आयन पिक अल्केन्स की कम होती है कंपेयर टू alkenes और उसकी तुलना में alkynes की तुलना में। तो ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है। अगर मान लो आपको इस तरह का कोई न्यूमेरिकल मिलता है जहाँ आल्केन, आल्कीन और अल्काइन है, तो वहाँ आप ये देखिएगा कि मॉलिक्यूलर आयन पीक में अबेंडेंस किसकी कम है, तो कंपैरिजन करने में आसान होगा। Cycloalkenes. In cycloalkenes, the relative abundance of the molecular ion peak is more compared to the corresponding alkane. For example, here normal propyl cyclohexane. Here intense high abundance molecular ion peak is observed at 83 due to the cyclohexane ion. And here also molecular ion peak is having low abundance. Cycloalkenes. For example, cyclohexene shows the very prominent peak at MZ54 because of Ritro-Diels-Alder reaction. Cyclohexene, due to the Ritro-Diels-Alder reaction, it will give you 1,3-butadiene as molecular ion peak is at 54. Cycloalkynes, phenylacetylene molecule. It will give you molecular ion peak the most intense, and it is a base peak. See here, in phenylacetylene molecular ion peak is at 102 is a base peak. And then after fragmentation, it will give you at 7650. Aromatic compounds. The molecular ion peak in aromatic compounds is fairly abundant as compared to the corresponding alkanes and alkenes. In aromatic compounds, M+1 and M+2 are also noticed because of the isotope C12 and C13. See here, benzyl cation. This is the after propylium ion. On propylium ion at MZ91, it is a very characteristic peak in aromatic compound in side chain, right? And then after the loss of acetylene molecule, it will give you molecular ion peak at 65, and then on further it will give you MZ51. The benzyl cation form rearranges to more stable tropylium cation, which appears at MZ91, as earlier also I have said. Propylium cation in turn loses a molecule of acetylene to form cyclopentene cation at 65. So these molecules like toluene, ethyl benzene, xylene, this butyl phenyl, these all molecules give characteristic peak with more abundance at 91 and 65. Naphthalene gives, because it having 10 pi electrons, it will give you molecular ion peak at 128 with 100% abundance alcohols. Primary alcohol gives signal of oxonium ion at 31 and at 18 due to the loss of water molecule. See here, this is the oxonium ion at 31 and water molecule gives at 18. Similarly, secondary, tertiary alcohols also gives peak. Molecular ion peak of primary and secondary alcohols is usually at very low abundance, and in tertiary alcohol it may not be detected. Aromatic alcohol, the relative abundance of the parent ion of aromatic alcohols is fairly large. See here, propylium ion, hydroxypropylium ion at 107. Unsaturated alcohols, unsaturated alcohols due to the loss of one hydrogen, 57 its molecular mass, and after the loss of one hydrogen it will give you 100% abundance at 57. Phenols, the molecular ion peak M plus is more intense at 94. See here, 94, cyclopentadiene 66, and then after loss of one hydrogen, cyclopentene having at molecular mass 65. Similarly, here also in this molecule also gives propylium hydroxide ion at 107. Thiols and thiophenols. The molecular ion peak in thiols is more intense than that of the alcohols. For example, see here, thiols 47, like phenols, thiophenols shows intense peak at 110. It also forms thiopropylium ion at 109. Then after loss of sulfur, it will give mass at 65. Ethers, acetals and ketals. Aliphatic ethers show molecular ion peak almost of negligible abundance. For example, isopropyl and phenyl ether. See this molecule, it will give you this type of fragmentation. Here isopropyl cation at 43 with 100% abundance is observed. This is the pattern. Molecular ion peak is with low intensity or low abundance. So this is for some characteristic peaks of molecules. Thank you very much for today's lecture.